Right, so this is how to use the indicator. Okay, so it's very simple and very easy. All right, all you need to do is to wait for price to come and touch this indicator here. So when price touch the indicator, you enter for a buy. All right, however, you need to wait for confirmation. Confirmation is you need to wait for a blue candle to form. Now remember that the time frame is on 1 hour. As you can see here, the time frame is 1 hour, so it must and it has to be on 1 hour time frame. You understand? However, all right, you can actually make your entry for a buy before a blue candle forms. You understand? Now remember that it is 1 hour and the time is 8:12, so you need to wait for this blue candle to be completed. You understand? However, this is what I'm trying to say. If you have entered immediately it touches the blue this indicator, you would still have been profitable. You understand? Because price touch the indicator here, and then what happened? It pushes to the upside, it closes, you understand, on top of the indicator. So that simply means if you had entered a very nice lot size here, you will still have been profitable. You understand? Depending on the lot size you use, you would have made probably maybe $10,000 or $20,000. You get? Remember that this is actually what, 1 hour. So this small movement that you are seeing from here, all right, from here to here is huge. It's going to be huge on a lower time frame. So imagine that you use a very nice lot size at this point here. You understand? That is going to fetch you a lot of money. You get, because the gap on a lower time frame that you can see where I mark here is going to be high. So because it's small here, it does not mean that is not wide. Do you get that? But what you need to wait for is actually you wait for a blue candle to form, and then you enter your entry for a buy. So you can actually decide that you are going to first enter when the price is touching, you understand, and then come out when the candle closes, which is this candle that is here, you understand, then come out. Then you wait for your second entry when the blue candle had formed. That's the 1 hour candle. This one is still forming, so you should not enter yet because it can end or close in red. You understand? So that is how to use it. So let's just go back in time to see some examples. All right, to see some examples on how this has actually formed. All right, so like I said, all right, do more of buys. Do you get that? Now look at let me minimize this. All right, look at a situation here. Can you see it touches the indicator, and when it touches the indicator, sorry, it touches the indicator right here, and when it touches the indicator, what happened? It moved to the upside. Can you see that? Can you see how it moved to the upside? It moved, sorry, it moves to the upside. Very simple. There is no any form of ambiguity to this. Do you get that? Now this is a very huge distance. I hope that you know that yourself as well. This is a very huge distance from here, all right, to the upside is a very huge distance. Do you get that? And remember that this is on 1 hour, so you trade it only on 1 hour. Do not trade it on maybe 15 minutes or 30 minutes, or you want to see how it is going to behave. You understand? Don't be impatient to go like, oh, I want to be having entries every day. You understand that? No, don't do that. All right, make sure that you do it only on 1 hour time frame. Okay, now look at this one. It didn't get to the indicator. It was just a little bit, just about to, and then what happens? It pushes to the upside, right? It pushes to the all right. So very simple. You just need to follow the instruction. Look at this one too. About to. So here, whatever your decisions want to be, maybe to enter or not, but I will advise you not to enter. All right, so look at this point here. We have a little bit of let's just say manipulation. All right, but it still actually moved to the upside. As you can see, it moved to the upside. Right, now do not underestimate this movement, because I know that there are some people that they are not satisfied with anything. All right, do not underestimate this movement. All right, from here to here is a lot. It is a lot. Remember, this is 1 hour time frame. If I switch it to 5 minutes or 15 minutes, you will not be able to see the beginning and the end of this points that I mark. All right. So what I want to show you right now, is the fact that excuse me, excuse me, is the fact that anytime price touches this indicator here is always going to push to the upside. That's what I want to explain to you. Do you see that? Now all you have to do is just wait for price to touch. When it touch, then um then take your TP at the close of that candle, of that candlestick. You understand? Because this one was initially red. Do you get? It was initially red. It moved to the downside, red candle, touches the indicator and then pushes to the upside, then close on top here. Do you see that? It closed on top here. So that is where you will TP. Very accurate. Do you understand that? Now, like I said, that could be your first entry, and you might actually make this your main entry. You understand? Because you know that you have high chance, close to 100% chance of having success, because what you are actually risking is very, 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 very small. You understand? You are risking very, very small. You are risking maybe like 2 pips to make maybe like 200 pips. Do you get? So you can actually decide that you will risk more here. You understand? So that you can have a very high returns on your trade. So you can actually use this to flip account. Do you understand? But the thing is, you will not be having entry every day. You understand? You might not even be having entry every week, because like I said, this is 1 hour and it takes time, all right, for price to touch. Do you get it? Because the indicator too is going to be moving and calculating based on the market movement and expansion, you understand, of what is going on Vix75. Okay, so your second entry now, all right, that can now be at this point, because we are waiting for blue. You understand? Touches, form blue, and then you enter, and then you make your stop loss, just a little bit below the wick of the blue candle. You understand? So if you make it a breeding stop loss, this should not take you out. Do you understand? And then you are able to what? To take some profit. Do you get? Before it comes down again. So anytime is doing this, you understand, you won't see this kind of um manipulation, all right, often. Do you get? You won't see it often. Probably in a year, maybe you will just see it 2 times or 3 times. You understand? Because the calculation of this indicator is very, very accurate. You understand that? Now what you should pay attention to is anytime you are having a touch like this, a touch like this, a touch like this, a touch like this, is an indication that this price is going to go up. You understand? So you might actually switch from wanting to make huge money from the market to investment in such a way that you will just begin to buy more. You understand? Like you might not know that this will happen at this point here. Do you get? So you've taken your profit here, and then you see that it's touching it the second time again. You might just begin to buy it, knowing that it is not supposed to touch it the second time. But now that it's touching it the second time, there might be possibility that it might touch the third time and the fourth time, just like we have here. So you might just decide that, okay, I will not use high lot size. You get? You can actually use high lot size. So you can have 2 entries. One is high lot size. The second one, that the second entry will be for small lot size, which will be for investment, because you'll be holding that one for a very long period of time. So when you enter your high lot size, you might just close after 1 hour, which is going to be here. You understand? You enter your high lot size when it touch the indicator, you close after 1 hour, which is here. So your small lot size that you enter here, all right, will be in loss by the time price is here, but overall you are profitable. You understand? And then you enter another high lot size here with small lot size, then you come out of your what, of your high lot size after 1 hour. You understand? At this closing of the bullish candle. Do you get that? So at this point that you are entering and coming out, you are actually accumulating profit. You understand? If you are able to maximize these touches, all right, on the indicator, you get, with belief in the indicator, that means that it's possible that you might have make up to maybe $10,000 or $20,000 just on this small movement on entering and coming out after 1 hour, on entering and coming out, and also at this point as well. Do you get? Now, as you do that, your small loss, your small what's it called, your small lot size that you use will now accumulate into a lot of profits. I don't know if you can see this from here, all right, to this place. Anyone who is trading Vix75 will actually tell you that that's a very, very huge distance and profit for you. You understand that? So how can you actually know that, okay, there's not going to be another touch? You understand? Because we have 4 touches here. You get? We have 1 touch, 2, 3, 4. How can you know that, okay, there's not going to be a touch again, or the manipulation has ended? How you can actually know is 2 things. 1, look at the kind of candlestick that is formed. This is a pin. You understand? You can see that the rejection is very, very, very long. Can you see that? That means that the buyers actually push the price at this time, longer than how they've been doing it before. So the bullish force is stronger than the bearish force. And where is the bullish force happening? The bullish force is happening on what? On the indicator, on the zone that is very, very key to the market movement. Do you understand that? If you understand candlestick pattern, formation, you will realize that this one here is a very, very strong indication that market is going to go up. Do you get that? Then another thing, if you understand market structure, is that you will see that this is head and shoulder, this is left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. Do you see that? So market comes down here, move to the upside, come here, and then to the upside. You understand that? So if you understand that, you will know that at this point, at this level here, is another place where you will be entering for what? For a more buy. Do you get that? Because if you also check your left here, which is this side, all right, you can see bearish engulfing candle. You understand? Bearish engulfing candle. This is the bearish engulfing candle here. Can you see this? This is the bearish engulfing candle. So you know that from here you are entering in for your buy to the upside, and then below the wick here will be your stop loss. Do you understand that? So that is how to trade manipulation like this when you see something of this nature. Do you get that? So what do we say you do? You just need to wait. Can you see this now? Just wait, just wait, just wait, just wait. Do you see that? Just wait. It touches, and when it touches, what happens? It moves to the upside. You understand that? It moves to the upside. As you can see this, there is no any form of miscalculation or any form of magic here. It touches, and then it goes to the upside. Very simple. All you are doing here, you are not trying to analyze the market, right? The indicator is doing that for you. As soon or as long as it touches, you are sure that it's going to move up. Do you get it? Now, it's not all the time that it's going to touch and then it's going to go up like that. Do you get that? It's not all the time. All right, you should also give room for when market is going to manipulate the traders. Do you understand that? Like in this case, we have something like that. All right, it pierces, all right, below the indicator, all right, but eventually it is going to go up. Do you get it now? So now, as a trader, if you have a loss here, at this very first touch, all right, you will know that you should switch to investment strategy now. That means you are not trying to risk let's say $100 to make $5,000. Now you want to be using average dollar cost strategy. That means you want to be investing bit by bit. So as the price come down, you buy small lot size. You understand? Maybe 0.01 or 0.005 depending on the capital that you have. And I believe that you should also I want to encourage that you should also know risk management, because it is risk management that is going to help you to maximize this indicator, right? And then here you buy again, and then here you buy again. You understand? So you are going to continue to buy, and when price touches the white indicator, you come out, or when it touches the red indicator, you come out. You understand? Very simple, very simple. So you are having a loss here. If you do have a loss, you are having a loss here to make more money. You understand? Because now there is nothing as beautiful as trading with confidence. Do you get? So now you are sure 100% that this market is going to go up, but I do not know the exact point at which it's going to go up. So because I don't know that, I'm going to enter into investment mode. I will begin to buy, little by little, small, right, till the market pushes to the upside. So you will be recovering your loss, and then you'll be making profit at the same day or the same week. So you are not waiting for 3 months or 2 months or 1 year before you recover whatever that you lose here. You understand? And then don't be that kind of trader that is always looking for 100% what's it called, strategy that won't have a loss, that anytime it touches it just go up, anytime it touches it just go up, anytime it touches it just go up, right? Price or market is not like that. And if you also understand what's it called, candlestick formation, you will know that this is what, this is money star, right? This is money star. Do you understand? And this candlestick here is called Marubuzu. You understand? Is a strong sign, a strong symbol of a reversal candlestick. You understand? That price is going to go up because this is blue. You understand? Marumbuzo. What's Marumbuzo? Is that candlestick that does not have wick. You understand? It does not have wick on top and then below. Did you get that? So this is going to be, if I was in this trade now, if I was buying, if I was using average dollar cost, all right, as a form of investment, and I was buying small lot size, you understand, seeing this, because this is a very strong signal. One, this is what, money star. That simply shows that, okay, there's going to be a trend reversal. It's time for you to begin to buy. That's one. Then secondly, inside that money star is Marubuzu. That's a strong sign that, man, I'm going hard here. You understand? I'm going hard here. Do you get it now? So if I was using a 0.005 before, at this point I can do a 0.05 four times. Do you understand? 0.05 four times. Do you get it? So I'm entering four times. I'm going ta 1 2 3 4, and then if price comes down a bit, I go again 1 2 3 4 5. Do you get? And then my stop loss will be below the wick here. You understand? So with risk management in the calculation, so I might just decide that, okay, I don't want to lose risk more than probably $1,000. All right, in this trade, in this particular one that I'm doing here, the ones that I'm entering here is still running. You understand? So I might go like, I don't want to lose more than $1,000 from here to here, and then I'm going to allocate my lot size to the distance from here to here. Do you get that? If it goes after I enter the 0.005, four entries, and it didn't come down, I'm still profitable. You understand? Coupled with the fact that I have another entry that I have made from this from this point here. Do you get it? So that is how to use it. So I just want to show you more because I'm not scared to actually show you how it works, the authenticity and the accuracy of the indicator. This didn't get to the indicator, right, and then it pushes to the upside. So if you are very good at market structure, knowing fully well that it is close to the zone, I call this the zone, and then we have rejection, you know that you should be looking for a buy. You understand? You should be looking for a buy. Even if you do not have entry strategy here, you can just decide that I'm going to use maybe the smallest lot size, probably 0.001. You have nothing to lose. You understand? And then whatever you can make here, you make it, and then you are out of the market. Do you get that? So this is another one here. This is another one here. Sorry, this is another one here. All right, as you can see, this, what happens, it touches, right, move to the upside, touches generally, and then push to the upside. Very simple, guys. Very simple. Very simple. Very simple. Do you see that? You don't really need much here to before you can be profitable. Like I said, focus on using this indicator more on buy than on sell. Do you get? If you notice from the beginning, I've been using it for buy. I'm not using it for sell. You understand? So look at it here. We have another one here. Yes, we have another form of manipulation here. You understand? We have another form of manipulation here, but like I said, it will always go up. always, first touch, second touch, came down, third touch, fourth touch, and then push to the upside. Just like we have it previously when I explained to you, that one was what? Fourth touch. This one also was what? Was four touches. And then when it was done, the fourth touch, what happened? This is morning star again. Can you see that? Morning star. So that means that it will always give you the sign and the signal that now I'm ready to go up. Do you get that? So at every touch, as every touch, like I explained, you are making profit. At every touch, you are making profit. You understand? So all you have to do is to be what? Is to be patient, know your risk management, and have strategy. Have your entry strategy and exit strategy as I have explained to you. Do you get that? And then before we have these touches here, what happened? We have a touch here. So that means that this week we are going to have a lot of money. You understand? A lot of money, and then a lot of entries. It touches, right, came back, touch again, then move to the upside. Do you get that now? So you have, so many touches here that is going to earn you so more money. So when you have this kind of entries, or this kind of touch, all right, you are happy that you know where the direction of the market is going. So you know that for now I should not be selling, I should be buying. So you are looking for the point, for the zone to make your buy entries. All right, you'll be looking for signals to buy. Look at it here. All right, I'm going to be ending this video now because I don't want this video, the video is long already. Look at it here. What happened? Pushes to the upside. All right, even though he didn't touch it, it was just a little bit, right? If I was in this trade, if I was here, I was going to enter. You understand? Because I know that I have nothing to lose. You get? So of course I will not be entering my full lot size. All right, I can probably, maybe I want to enter, let's say, is 0.05. You understand? I might decide to use 0.005 at first. Do you get? Just to enter here, just to secure my position, to secure my entry, because anything can happen in the market. And then what happens? You move to the upside. All right, so whatever profit I have at this point, I am going to, take it and then use it for whatever I want to use it for. So that's how the indicator works. All right, so I will advise that you watch this video over and over again so that you can actually understand better details how it works. You understand? I believe that just one view of this video will not make you understand it in full. You need to see it over and over again. As you can see here, look at it again. This is what it touches, right? It touches and then it moves to the upside. Although it came down a bit, but like I said, it will always move. Look at this candlestick here. This is what? Bullish engulfing candle. You understand? Bullish engulfing candle. Can you see this? So if you are going to make real money from this indicator, the things you need to learn patience. You need to learn what I've explained to you, and inside what I've explained to you, that's the third thing you need to learn now, is what? Candlestick pattern formation. Candlestick pattern formation, the meaning. You understand? Because candlestick pattern formation work well on key zones, and then this indicator, all right, is actually telling you where the key zone is. As you can see, what happens? It pushes to the upside. This is crazy money. This is crazy money, right? Pushes to the upside, straight up, straight up. Can you see that? That's a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot. So that is how to use the indicator. All right. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. If you still have any question, you can reach out to me and then I will explain it to you. All right.